Adverbs versus adjectives. So what is the main difference between an adverb and an adjective? Well, if they're describing a noun, they're an adjective, and they change their endings to match the noun that they're describing, okay? And if they describe anything other than a noun, they're an adverb, and they do not change form, okay? So do adverbs and adjectives always stay adverbs and adjectives? No. There are some words, such as molto, troppo, tutto, etc., that can be used as both adjectives and adverbs, depending on how they're being used in a sentence. Okay, just to confuse you a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through some examples here of when, something is used as an adverb versus when it's used as an adjective, okay, and how you can tell the difference here. Okay, so for our first example, I have ho mangiato troppo, meaning I ate too much. Okay, so troppo over here is an adverb because it's describing the verb mangiare. Okay, so troppo is describing mangiare. Okay, this is just the past tense here, ho mangiato. But if you say ho mangiato troppi dolci, I ate too many sweets, troppi is an adjective because it's describing the plural noun dolci. Okay, so instead of describing the verb, it's describing the sweets. Okay, too many sweets. So in that instance, it would be an adjective, and you have to change the ending to correspond with the noun that it's describing. Okay, let me give you another example. Okay, so la casa è molto piccola. The house is very small. Okay, so molto is an adverb in this case because it's describing the adjective piccola. Okay, so molto is describing piccola. So it does not change form to match the ending of the adjective. But if you say ci sono molta gente nella città, there are a lot of people in the city, molta is an adjective because it's describing the singular noun gente. Okay, so let's see here. So molta gente, okay, it becomes an adjective, and therefore it does change ending to correspond with gente, which is la gente would be a feminine singular noun. Okay. All right. So hopefully that is somewhat clear for you. And if not, then just go over these a few times and see if you can really notice the difference between the adjectives and the adverbs. And like I said, if not, don't worry about it. Just move on and just try and practice with it a little bit more in as you move along. And if you have any specific questions, don't be afraid to post them in the community chat. Okay.